The cash flow tool combs through your transactions to help you understand your historical spending and predict your future spending. It allows you to easily identify and add recurring bills and payments, as well as one-time or annual payments such as your property tax. When you first open the cash flow tool, you'll be prompted to add your regular deposits and payments as cash events. The software will make suggestions based on your recent transactions. Click the green checkmark to accept a suggested event or the red X to reject it. Select the appropriate frequency and click Save. When you're finished adding events, you'll be able to see your currently available cash in the upper left. This number is based on all of your asset accounts as well as an estimate of your future available balance. The main screen provides a chart forecasting the cash you're expected to have available on any given date within the selected range. On the top left, you can toggle between a calendar view and a chart view. In the calendar view, expenses and income are represented by red down arrows and green up arrows respectively. And in the chart view, you can hover over any point on the graph to see the income, expenses, and the ending balance for the particular day listed at the bottom. By default, the cash flow tool is showing you all of your checking and savings accounts. If you want to focus on specific accounts, simply click Filter Accounts at the top of the screen, select the accounts you want to see, and click Apply. Use the arrows at the bottom of the screen to change the date range and click Today to refocus on your recent events. Cash events are recurring or one-time events that will be represented in your cash flow forecast. These events can be tracked in the cash flow tool, but they won't directly affect your account balances. Let's add a new cash event together. Click Add an Event in the top right corner. Here, you will see a list of suggested recurring events that have been identified on your account. Choose from the list or scroll all the way to the bottom and click Create Your Own. You can create an event based on past transactions or start from scratch. Simply fill out the fields and you're all set. A payee is the name of the cash event. The average amount is the amount of the recurring transaction. The type specifies whether the event is income or an expense. The account specifies the account in which the event occurs. The frequency is the date and repeating schedule for the event, and the category is the category that the transaction associated with the event belongs to. When you've completed all of the fields, simply click Save, and notice your new cash event will populate in the list of upcoming events on the right. Select a cash event from the list on the right and click the three dots to edit or delete the cash event. You can also choose to mark this event as paid and link the payment to a transaction to improve your forecasting over time. See the impact of upcoming payments and plan ahead with the cash flow tool.